So in today's video, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will see how to enroll the course onto the Swayam portal. So basically, Swayam is a program which is launched by the government of India. So on this Swayam program, we have online courses available which are provided by our 9 national coordinators. Okay. So these 9 national coordinators like AICTE, CEC, IGNOU, IIMB, NCRT, NIOS, NITTR, NPTEL and UGC. So these are called the national coordinators. So these coordinators launch some kind of courses, okay, onto this Swayam portal. So basically, as I told you, these are the 9 national coordinators which gives us the online courses. So in today's video, we will focus on to the NPTEL. So basically, NPTEL is the national program on technology enhanced learning. So NPTEL is the project which is governed by the IIT Madras. Okay, and onto the NPTEL portal, we have the several number of courses available which are provided by different IITs and IISCs. Okay, so IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, Kharagpur. So all these IITs and IISCs provide the online courses onto this NPTEL portal. Now look at the national coordinators. So here we have to see if you want to do the online course for the schooling education. So NIOS and NCRT provide the courses for school education. Then if you want to do the courses out of school education, so then IGNOU and NITTR. So these provide the out of school education courses. Then UG courses, undergraduate courses are provided by the NPTEL, AICTE, CEC and IIMB. Along with that, postgraduate education courses are available on NPTEL, AICTE, IIMB and UGC. So that means onto the NPTEL portal, we have all the available courses for UGC, for UG and PG branches. Fine. So these are all the basic structure of these national coordinators. Fine. So now we will move towards the courses enrollment. So if we want to first do the course enrollment, so here we have the second tab, that is all courses. Okay, so when I click onto the all courses, I will get the list of all the courses which are provided by all these 9 national coordinators. Okay, so onto the list we have the all the courses which are provided by all the 9 national coordinators. Okay, so you can see here this course animations, this is provided by the CEC national coordinator. This is provided by learning and teaching, this is provided by IGNOU. And if we go on scroll to the bottom, so this kind of course is provided by the NITTR, then again IGNOU, CEC, NPTEL. Okay, so these are the combined list. But if we want to sort out the list with the help of national coordinator, so here we have the filters onto the left hand side. So here I will select the NPTEL. So when I click onto the NPTEL, I will get all the courses related with the NPTEL coordinators. Okay. So here we have the list of NPTEL. So for the July-December 2020 semester, we have more than 400 courses available by the NPTEL. So here we have all the courses available for this semester by the NPTEL. Okay. So again, there is a huge kind of a list. If we want to sort it out with the help of some branches, so onto the left hand side we have the second filter category. So here we will select the engineering, technology, education, architecture, law, management, maths and likewise. So if I select here engineering and technology, so here I will get the list of courses which are comes across into the engineering and technology. Here again we have the subcategories, that is the branches we have. For example, here we have civil engineering, computer science and engineering, design engineering, agricultural, bio. We can sort out the list with the help of course duration. So if we have to sort the list of courses with the help of the weeks 4, 6, 8, 12. So till now 12 weeks courses are available, 4, 6, 8, 12 onto the NPTEL. We can sort the course according to the exam date also, then the course credits also. Okay, so here we move towards the category. So if I want to sort the courses according to the engineering and technology, so when I select the filter as the engineering and technology, so I will get all the courses which are comes across the engineering and technology branch. Here we have again subcategories the branch wise. So number of branches are available here. So if we want to go for the computer science engineering, okay, for example, so I will click on the computer science and engineering. I will get all the courses available under the stream of computer science and engineering. So there we have the number of courses available, that is applied natural language processing, AI, Banjit algorithm, C programming, big data, cloud computing, IoT, computer graphics, and many more courses are available. Okay, so here on the top front we have the, for example, this is the course of image signal processing. So here we get the trainer name, then which IIT is conducting. So IIT Madras is conducting this, 12 weeks of course, exam date, and likewise on the front we get the short information about this course. Okay, so again some kind of terms that I have to mention here. So when we select the NPTEL course, so we'll get some kind of the benefits. So that means at the end we will get the certificate from the IITs or IIScs. Okay, again we have some kind of FDP certificates also we are getting. So FDP is useful for the teachers or the faculties from any stream. Okay, so FDP is nothing but the faculty development program. So based on your weeks, that means 4 weeks, 8 weeks or 12 weeks program, your FDP is considered as a 1 week, 2 weeks and likewise. Okay, so we will get the benefit of the certification, online course certification, as well as the FDP. Okay, so faculty development program certificate will also embedded with that certificate. Okay, again some kind of, here we have the categories. Okay, so these are the all the categories or all the national. So here we will select the NPTEL. It moves again back. Okay, so then I'll select the category as the engineering and technology. Now here I will go for the enrollment of any course. Okay, I will select the branch as a computer science and engineering, and I will introduction to machine learning, introduction to IoT, and many more courses are there. For example, if I want to choose introduction to Internet of Things, that is the trainer is Sudeep Mishra, IIT Kharagpur is conducting this course, 12 weeks of course that will start from the 14th September. Exam date is 20 December, enrollment ends in 21st December. That means the final payment of this course should be of before 21st September. So if I want to enroll for this course, so I will click onto this course. Again some benefits are also available by the NPTEL. So that means free fee reimbursement will be there for the students. So that means if the student clear the exam, so from the allocated fund from the NPTEL, some fees is also refunded to the students. Okay. So here we have the front page of this course that I have selected, introduction to Internet of Things. So here we'll get some kind of the information regarding this course. Then course layout, here we will get the week wise. For example, this is a 12-week course, so week wise contents, then books, references, introduction, the course certificate. Okay, so then certificate criteria. So that means for any course of the NPTEL we require the assignment score of 25% and exam score is 75%, and based on this we get the 100% score. So basically they have changed the criteria right now. So that means the final score should be equal to or greater than 40 out of this 100. Okay, so apart from that, assignment score should be 10 or greater than 10 out of 25, and exam score should be 30 or above 30 out of 75. That means in the assignment score we must have to complete 10 or above 10, and the exam we must have to cover 30 or above 30. That means we both have to pass these sections, that is assignment and exam score. So again some kind of confusions may be there, that if we get assignment score as a 5 out of 25 and exam score as a 40 out of 75, so at that time we didn't get the certificate. But right, because it says that these two criteria should be met. Okay, so then and then we will get the certificate in terms of the E, that is online we get the E certificate. Hard copies are not dispatched from the previous semester. Okay, so this is only the change is that again the exam fees is optional, that is 1000 rupees. Why it says as optional? Because if you want to learn this course, so you can learn this course or you can see the contents freely. Okay, but if you want some kind of certifications, then we have to pay the what we can say exam fee as 1000 rupees. Okay, so there is again a provision with the category students. So SC/ST category and the physically handicapped students will get the 50% of reimbursement of that. Okay, they only have to pay the 500 rupees. Okay, so for the category students they have the golden opportunity for that. So here we can see that the summary of this course, at the end we can see that this is an AICTE approved FDP course. That means if I enroll for this course and if I clear this exam or if I pass this course, so I will get the FDP certificate as well. Okay, so that is again a benefit for this course. So now we can see here we have the instructors introduction video will be there, then learners enrolled. So till now 14,918 students have enrolled for this course from the starting or from the launching of this course. So if you want to enroll for this course, first we have to do the click onto the join. Okay, orange button we can see here. So click onto the join. It will move towards the login page. So here we can see there are two options, so Swayam login or any Microsoft, Google, Facebook login. So we must prefer with the Google. Okay, so we click onto the Google. So when we click onto the Google, it will redirect to the Gmail. Okay, so here we have, so I will log in here. Okay, so we will log in with our Gmail accounts. So here we have to fill our profile, that is your name, mobile number, email ID, and which group, age group is there, country, profession, whether you are a faculty, student or employed, highest qualification will be there, then year of graduation if you are a faculty or a student, so what is your year of graduation. And the main thing is that educational details apart that part of the Swayam local chapter. So here we have to select either yes or no. So you have to confirm with your college that whether your college is of a Swayam local chapter or not. That means whether in your college there will be a Swayam chapter or not. Okay, so to check the list we can click here. Okay, so there is a small link available, on that we can check the local chapters. Okay, so there we have all the local chapters available. Fine. So this is the page where here we have the details on Swayam NPTEL local chapters. When we click onto that, we are getting the list of all the Swayam NPTEL local chapters across India. Okay, so there is a huge kind of a list over there. So here we can search your college name. For example, I will search here my college name, that's SIPNA. Okay, so again we are getting some kind of benefits with the NPTEL course as well, that you are getting or you are activating the college. Okay, so here we can see my college name will be there, SIPNA College of Engineering and Technology. The status is active, that means all the number of students are activating or number of students, faculties are participating for every semester. Okay, here we can see the SPOC name, that is a single point of contact name. Okay, and this chapter is allocated with the IIT Madras. Okay, the SPOC certification will be there. Okay, so let it be. So that means your college is Swayam NPTEL local chapter, so we'll select yes. Okay, then select the state, select your college name. If you select the state, you will get the college name appropriately. Then you have to select with here agree. You both have to agree with this. Field we have to fill over here, just like I will fill here, and all these fields are mandatory. Okay, so we must have to fill this: faculty, highest qualification, masters, year of graduation. Okay, so part of Swayam local chapter we have to select as a S, then select the state as a Maharashtra, then the college name. Directly type your name, you will get your college name, area, that is your branches of engineering. Here we have the computer science and engineering. For the student, I would like to mention one thing again. If you select your student in the profession, if you select your student, so it will ask you the roll number. Okay, so kindly fill your college ID onto the roll number field. Okay, so after filling these all fields, we will select onto the save button. So when we click on the save, sorry, mobile number is not filled yet. Okay, after filling the mobile number, we click onto the save button. When we click onto the save button, this course will be enrolled. Okay, you will get the email notification from this course as well, and you will get this course as a front page, okay, where you can see all the contents of this course. Okay, now how the course will be executed. So basically all the videos you will get for this respective course, we just have to watch these videos, and weekly we have to solve the assignments. Okay, so week by week assignments will be there, and after completing the assignments, at the end we have to give the final exam at the test center. Okay, so here we can see this is the front page of my course. So I have selected here introduction to Internet of Things. So here welcome mail will be there. So it will tell you all the related details regarding your course. That means where will be the exam, what will be the contents, and so on. So in this way we can enroll any course. Okay, so better to enroll number of 2-3 courses. You go with the courses, you see the videos, and after that you select with the registration. Now for the process of registration I will tell you into the next video. Okay, so in this video I hope you understand how to enroll the course onto the NPTEL. Thank you.